Mould is a naturally occurring living organism that may develop on any material exposed to moisture. Composite decking, in comparison to timber decking, is much less impacted by mould as it only sits on the surface and doesn't penetrate down into the material like timber. Mould can appear anywhere. It is critical to understand your environment and assess the possibility for excess moisture, inadequate ground clearance, and limited sunlight exposure before building your deck.
Mould discoloration can sometimes look like this, or this.
If you've noticed mould developing on your deck, take action immediately.
Firstly, apply a mixture of warm water and household detergent with a sponge. Then brush with a hard bristled broom, as you can see here. For extra stubborn mould, apply a small amount of mould cleaning solution to your mixture and scrub with pressure. Make sure you follow the directions on the product's label. For the best results, you can use a high pressure gurney. Just make sure you're at least 30 centimeters away from the deck when spraying, or you could cause damage.